Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no internet access but Ethernet connected. So to fix this error, firstly click on Start, then type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now you need to copy these three command line one by one, and every time you need to enter. So first one, this copy and paste here and make enter. Now this second line, I will give this code in description. So copy and paste and make enter like this. So you need to copy and paste these three command every time, enter and close it and restart your PC. So hopefully friends, by this simple and easy method, this Ethernet problem will be fixed. Please comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching.